Welcome back. Today, we're exploring how to bring a French-inspired modern garden design into both your front yard and backyard. French gardens are known for their timeless elegance, symmetry, and charm. But here we'll blend those classic elements with modern simplicity to create outdoor spaces that feel sophisticated yet easy to maintain. A French-inspired modern garden does more than just beautify your home. It creates a sense of balance and harmony. The structured layout, clipped hedges, and symmetrical lines give your outdoor spaces a refined character. While modern updates, like clean hardscaping, minimalist furniture, and softer plant palettes, make it practical for today's lifestyle. Your front yard becomes inviting, showcasing curb appeal that feels classic yet fresh. Meanwhile, the backyard turns into a private retreat where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy timeless European elegance without overwhelming maintenance. Let's look at the design tips for a French-inspired modern garden design. Embrace symmetry and structure. Use straight pathways, mirrored plantings, or symmetrical beds to give order and balance. Consider a central focal point, such as a fountain, urn, or modern sculpture, to anchor the design. Use boxwood and low hedges. Traditional French gardens rely on clipped boxwood, but for a modern touch, keep hedges low and clean. Combine them with ornamental grasses or softer perennials for contrast. Layer plants with restraint. Stick to a limited palette: lavender, roses, hydrangeas, and seasonal perennials. Add modern simplicity by grouping plants in clusters instead of mixing too many varieties. Balance hardscape and greenery. Incorporate stone or gravel pathways inspired by French courtyards. For modern appeal, choose sleek pavers, minimalist planters, or geometric patterns. Bring in outdoor living elements. In the backyard, add a bistro-style dining set or modern lounge furniture. A pergola or trellis with climbing vines can add shade while keeping the French character intact. Subtle decor touches. Use wrought iron or matte black fixtures for lighting and accents. Add modern planters with classic plants, keeping everything cohesive. A French-inspired modern garden combines the elegance of timeless European design with the simplicity and comfort of today's outdoor living. By blending symmetry, structure, and restrained plant choices with modern materials and furnishings, you can create front and backyard spaces that feel inviting, stylish, and enduring. If you're inspired to transform your outdoor spaces, consider which elements, symmetry, pathways, or plant palettes, you'd like to try first. This design approach ensures your garden not only looks beautiful, but also becomes a reflection of elegance and modern living.